guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a pretty chill day. Really the only thing on our agenda is to go look at a house. But it's a Saturday, it's a beautiful day, so I'm gonna try to fit in probably more than I should. This is also Primly Pure's new tinted, what is it, sun serum? Very excited about it because I ran out of moisturizer, so I'm like, I don't know, this will be good. Not important, but anyway. But I want to work on a birthday gift for my mom. And I want to sew it. So I need to go to Hobby Lobby and actually grab, I think I have everything I need, like fabric wise for that. However, I still need, I'm gonna make her a sweatshirt with a shark on it because she loves sharks. So I need to actually pick up the sweatshirt. I'm gonna try to do that today. But that's kind of all that's really on the agenda. A trip to Hobby Lobby and then look at the house in the afternoon. And then we'll see after that, I guess. That's about it. So I'm gonna go downstairs and have some breakfast, and then hopefully we can get the show on the road. So we just got home from running errands, or I guess just going to Hobby Lobby, and we took a little more time in there than I thought. So I'm warming us up some lunch, and then we're going back in the car to go look at the house. This is the first one we've actually taken a step toward like looking at, I guess. So like we went and looked at it, and so like our next plan of whatever is having our dads look at it and be like, okay, like is there any red flags, because they know house stuff and we obviously don't. Parents are meeting us at the house with our realtor and we're gonna see what's what. So we either might go forward or they might be like, you know what, you don't want this. So that's what's happening. But right now I'm warming up lunch and it's looking pretty good. Like a, I don't know, zucchini. It's kind of like a veggie bean meat cheese bake. It had like taco seasoning and it's really yummy. I really like it. So I'm warming this up, so we're gonna really quickly devour, then we gotta go. Also the coffee syrup I made, this is a carrot cake coffee syrup, and I made some for my sister-in-law for her birthday, so I have whatever's left over, and it's actually very good. Normally when I make a coffee syrup homemade, it kind of just tastes like cinnamon and that's it. But you can definitely taste like the notes of carrot, and it actually tastes so good. It's like, I literally went to bed last night, I was like, I can't wait to have this. Thinking about like Okay, elephant in the room. I filled in my eyebrows this morning and I don't think it looks good. Okay, that's a lot better. So it's the next day. We're at church. Tyler is on our worship team and he's drumming this morning, so he's going into worship practice. But I have house updates from yesterday, but I'll fill you in later. But right now we're at church and we're gonna go into church. So, yeah. This is not my best work. Okay, hi. So let me give you a little house update and then I'll show you the project that I'm working on. Right now I'm in my sewing craft hobby room because there's a drum set, a treadmill, a sewing machine, and all my craft supplies in here. So whatever you want to call this room. So house update. We went back and looked at this one house for a second time, expecting them to be like this is a really big, like there's something really big that's wrong with it, don't do it. However, that was not the case. So, which is great because we are slowly falling in love with this house. Like we already like it a lot, so we're like kind of falling in love with it very quickly. However, there's still a lot of things contingent on whether we'll buy it or not. We need to see like the heating bills and stuff, and because it's a much bigger space than we have right now. So that of course costs extra money. And then also get it inspected. So if they find something in the inspection that's like really big and important, like say the roof only has a couple years left on it, we have to replace it, not doing that. So there's definitely a couple of things. It's not gonna be like, oh, let's decide to do this right now. So that's kind of the update with that. So that went in a much better direction than I expected. So yay, because house hunting has not been ideal so far. So as for the project I'm working on, my mom's birthday is next week, and I have been itching to sew something because it's been roughly a month since I've sewn a project, which was the birthday banner. So I decided to make her a sweatshirt with a shark on it because she loves great white sharks the way that I love orcas, which I don't even know if you know that on my channel, but I am a big fan of orcas. Not that that matters, but anywho. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's literally something I just kind of came up with. So I was like, okay. I just bought a shirt from a local business company, whatever, a girl who sews stuff that is kind of like coastal themed. And I was like, oh, I could totally make one of these, but I'm deciding to do it with a shark. So I just drew this and cut it out. So this will be my like pattern. This will be my pattern. So I had an old pair of gray sweatpants that neither Tyler or I liked. So I was like, good, we're gonna use it because we're making a great white shark. So we need gray and white. So I took said sweatpants. This is just a sweatpant leg. There's a lot more where this came from. So talk about repurpose, okay? But I did buy a new sweatshirt to put it on just from Hobby Lobby because she loves a hoodie. So let's get into it. But this will be like the white belly part. So I need to figure that out and what that would look like. But this is what we have so far, and I'm really excited about it. I don't think this will actually take me a very long time at all, but I also think that's a little silly because I'm not very good at this. So without further ado, let's sew while the pizza is cooking in the oven.